from here, if I do the policy verification, it give me no error. But when I say install policy with the same thing, I am getting an error. Hey guys, this is Vaibhav Parmar. Today I have discovered very interesting error in checkpoint GAIA R81.10. So let's see what it is. So guys, I have logged into my security management server and I have very simple setup. If you can see, I have one gateway and one SMS, and this SMS and gateways are communicating. They are established SIG between them. So if you come here and you will see trust is established, all good. Let me show you one thing here. If you see, there is an identity awareness blade here. This blade is not selected now, and what I have created one access rule. If you see onto the security policy, number 3 rule is one simple access rule. I have allowed one machine here and I have just accepted whatever the default setting, and rest is as it is. If you see, the installation target is policy targets, so I have only one gateway, so it will not conflict, it will install into that only. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to say install policy. I should get an error here stating that I don't have enable identity awareness blade and I am installing some feature out of it. So basically the policy verification should fail here. So just wait couple of seconds so we can see the policy verification failed. So as you can see, the policy verification part at the bottom, it looked like the policy verification got failed, and in details if I read it, so it's saying layer 3 network rule 3 install on column of rule with access roles include targets that do not support access roles. To enable the use of access roles, enable identity awareness on the following target from rules install on column for the gateway SG1, and it's stating that the policy verification failed. Okay, now I'll just show you what rule I have for the number 3. So it's a access rule, and here I have one access rule where I have allowed everything as a default, if you can see. Okay, allow any. Now what I will do, I will come here to rule number 3, and instead of policy target I will just say my gateway name, because I only have one gateway name, so I'll be putting that over there. If I have policy target as well, it deliver the same thing, but I want to show you this thing what changes comes. So now ideally nothing changed. Instead of policy target I have just put it that gateway. Okay, ideally the policy verification now also should fail, but look, now I'm coming here, I'm saying verify the policy, standard policy. If you see here, we dealing whatever the work is under the standard policy. So now I'm saying verify the policy. Ideally it should fail the verification, but here what I have observed, the policy verification not failing, it getting completed. Do you see this? Policy verification for the standard is succeeded. It should not get succeeded because it should give me an error regarding the access rules. Okay, nothing has been changed, and I have only one thing changed, the put at the SG1 gateway. And as I have shown you earlier, this SG1 gateway also don't have, I mean this gateway only we have, and it don't have identity awareness blade installed. If you see, okay, still the policy verification got completed. So this is an error, bug, or coding issue, I don't know, from the checkpoint side. So specifically I wanted to denote this part, so I'm making this video now. So if I say install policy now, here if you see in detail, it will fail. See, so now it's getting failed here. Then how the policy verification taking place when I do from the other option? So if you see, the policy verification got failed, and similarly if I do the verification from here for the same policy package, it's getting succeeded. See, it's got succeeded. So I think there is some issue, some error, or maybe I need checkpoint to give answer over here, what's going on in the background. So guys, this is it. Thanks for watching this video, and let me know in my comment box what is this. Okay, thank you.